Hi, Tech Knitter here, showing how to knit the contrasting color Celtic Heart. And please forgive my hoarse voice, I'm just getting over a cold. So what I'm doing here is putting on 2 stitches from this blue placeholder. I'm putting them onto my left needle. Now, this red yarn here in the back is the color that I'm going to knit the heart, and this is the bottom of the 90-inch fold as it's explained in the pattern. So now what I'm going to do is knit 2 stitches, 1, 2, into the placeholder. There they are. Now I'm going to make sure that this white yarn here is actually not under, but instead is over this whole assembly. So there it is. Now it's over. And I'm going to purl 1 stitch, which is the spacer stitch that's explained in the pattern. There's the spacer stitch. And now I'm going to put 2 more stitches from the placeholder onto the left needle. I'm going to grab them with the right needle just because I find that easier, and then transfer them. Transfer 1, transfer 2. I'm going to now lift the left strand of the 90-inch red over the white, and I'm going to knit 2 more stitches. 1, 2. So these stitches are knit into the placeholder. They are not knit into the underlying main color. I'm again lifting over the main color background, and I'm purling to the end of the row. So let me show you what I've done, what it looks like on the back. Let me just get past here. So here we are. This is the right arm, and this is the left arm of the heart, and they're on the placeholder. Here's the placeholder. There's the spacer, and then we'll see you at the next clip.